Life is full of surprises, and this hike is one of them. We were told it would be just a chill climb, but it turned out to be a very challenging minor hike.
Don't be fooled, guys. 4/9 pero yeah. I want to reklamo sa management gonna be 4/9. Joke lang.
River crossings, steep ascents, 90-degree walls, rappelling, death-defying ridges, and even territorial cows trying to chase us down.
Cows.
Oh! Kasalayo!
La.
𝘂𝗶𝘁𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀 bistig yawa. Get.
Overcoming these obstacles reminded us that the most rewarding experience often comes from the toughest journeys.
Hey, masamuan!
Laban, basa na.
Sergio! Bring it on!
And in the end, it is these unexpected adventures that leave us with the best stories and the greatest sense of accomplishment.
Isang wave solid pa. Wala lang, ikapoy na. Sa expectation ni mo sa summit na putik man tanan.